Updating your payment information on PlayStation is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account is up to date. Step 1. Sign into your account. Go to the PlayStation website or open the PlayStation app on your device. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, look for the account settings or profile option. This is usually found in the menu or under the profile icon. Step 3. Select payment and subscriptions. In the account settings menu, find the section labeled payments and subscriptions. Click on this option to view your current payment methods. Step 4. Update payment information. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the *com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your payment information, make sure to save the changes. You should receive a confirmation that your payment details have been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily keep your payment information current on PlayStation.